Hello from Taylor Farms Treasures. I'm Brandy. This is T1 and T2. We are from Eastern Washington on the Idaho border, and we love heritage ways.
Hey y'all, hey Miss Brandy.
Hey T1 and T2, y'all are so cute.
Y'all are. Thank you so much for letting us know that you love heritage ways. And Brandy has become such a sweet friend. She actually won one of our giveaways. Do you remember that? Taylor Farms Treasures.
Yes, ma'am.
She won one of our giveaways several months back. And she is just a wealth of information when it comes to kombucha. For me, at least, she's my friend on Instagram. And I look forward to meeting them someday, just like we do a lot of our friends.
Yes.
Okay, so we want you to send in a little video snippet that we can add to our videos. We want to know where you're from, your name or your handle that you use, your location, and just say, we love heritage ways. We want to know how many of y'all love the old ways and the heritage ways and just getting back to a simpler lifestyle. So send us those little video snippets to the email that is shown below, and we will add those to our videos. And hey,
we love heritage ways.
Hey y'all, it's Miss Katie from Heritage Ways, and I'm here with
Little Miss Homemaker.
And Little Miss Homemaker is going to learn something today about her heritage and a quick, very quick recipe. Okay, so I have talked to y'all before about my grandmothers. I have a southern grandmother and a northern grandmother, because you know my daddy was from the north and my mama was from the south. I jokingly say that I'm bi-regional, but it's true, I am. I grew up with different flavors of food, different recipes, different types of food, depending on, you know, which grandparents' house I went to. And I feel very blessed because of that. Well, in this book here that I've showed you before, my mama started for me, and I add to it. It's just a blank thing where you can write, a blank book where you can add your own recipe or add recipes. Well, today I want to share with you sweet pickles. And it's very special because my southern grandma, who I called Woo Woo. Now, I've told our friends that before when I made the pimento cheese recipe. I talked to you about Woo Woo. Well, she wrote this in her own handwriting, and I treasure this. Sweet pickles. Okay, so it's very simple. 1 gallon of hamburger dill pickles, store-bought. So 1 gallon. You can get these anywhere. I get these at Gordon Food Service, but you know, every grocery store pretty much has them. Haven't you seen these? Just the slice.
In a lot of grocery stores.
Yeah. So these are dill pickles, and that's, you have to get what I'm telling you. You can't buy sweet or anything. It has to be sliced dill pickles. I'm going to drain this off. Now, could you use this dill pickle juice for something? I'm sure you could. But at this point in my life right now, I'm not going to research that and figure that out or save that dill pickle juice. So I'm just draining these. All right. Just draining them. What'd you say a minute ago? What'd you say? You like the smell? Is that what you
Yes,
said?
ma'am.
All right, there. See, we're pouring them in our colander. Let those drain. Drain the juice off. So these are a sweet dill. It's really, really good. I have wonderful memories of this pickle. Now we're simply going to add the pickles to this bowl. Love my big bowl. I got at Lehman's years and years ago. Lehman's in Ohio. All right, and it calls for, can you hand me the recipe? Let's look at it. Okay. It calls for 4 cups of sugar, but I made a note that says I use 6 to 8. So, she says you pour the sugar over the pickles and let it set in container until sugar dissolves. And I'll tell you that's pretty much overnight. I always put pickle slices in smaller jars as one may desire. All right, sweet pickles. All right, so I just bought that for this recipe. Normally we use organic cane sugar. So I'm just gonna pour this, it's a lot, I know that. Just gonna pour that over the top and basically let it sit here all night. And in the morning, there'll be a syrupy,
Oh, that
a
looks
syrup over, you think it looks good?
already.
So all I'm doing is just kind of stirring this. I used about 6 cups of sugar today. And I'm just kind of stirring it up. I don't want to harm the pickle slices. And then I'm just going to let it sit here. And we'll stir it again in the morning. We'll show our friends what it looks like and we'll put it in individual jars. Or we could put it back in this jar and set it in the refrigerator. I want to tell you that I remember when I was your age and younger and older, but I would go to Papa and Woo Woo's house and she would make me, and then later I made it when I visited. She let me cook anything I want to in the kitchen and she taught me a lot. But she made me fried egg sandwiches
That sounds yummy.
on toasted white bread with mayonnaise on both sides of the bread and these pickles. And still to this day, when I eat these pickles, it makes me think of that fried egg sandwich at her house, their house, and it was so good to me. So we may have to have a fried egg sandwich in a night or two and put these on it. Oh,
that
so
would
good.
be yummy.
So good. Do y'all have a food that evokes a memory, a childhood memory? We'd love to hear that. That'd be fun to hear, wouldn't it?
Yes,
Down
ma'am.
below. We would love to hear if a food or a flavor evokes a childhood memory for you. I will add one more thing. These are a little bit thicker sliced. These are the rippled. You can get the thinner sliced deals, which actually I think is what my grandmother did buy. So either one would work. It's time. It's
I'm so
time
excited.
to check on our pickles. Our sweet pickles. She is excited. And I told Mr. Patient last night, I said, guess what kind of pickles I'm making? And he said, oh, are those Woo Woo's good pickles? He said, I could just sit and eat those things. And, okay, they are good. So this is all there was to it. Adding sugar to our drain dill pickles. So get your napkin and taste one there. Hold your napkin under so you don't drip. John Boy, you want to taste them?
Sure.
John Boy's been out adventuring too. Come on, taste them. Come in here, just get one. Hold this under it so you're not dripping and then we have to clean it up. Just put it in your mouth. Just grab it and put it in your mouth. Do you like it?
You try it.
Okay. Now, like I said, you can get the thinner sliced deals.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm. Now, the thinner sliced deals is what I'm used to growing up. These are the thicker, but that's fine. It's a unique taste that you can't really get with just having dill or just having sweet. It's very unique. Try this. It's got 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up over here. Y'all share this little recipe on Facebook if you think it looks like a good one to try. Thanks for walking life with us. See you next time, friends.
Bye.
So what we're gonna do, you watch, because I don't need a lot of help. Well, maybe I need help opening it. Okay.